And then this happened.
दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो दिल दीवाना लगता है.
Life had some really crazy and beautiful plans, and then came Ash.
हम साथ साथ हैं, जन्मों के साथी, हम साथ साथ हैं.
Life just got busy, but one thing that never changed was her passion towards her sport and fitness.
But I'm a supergirl, and supergirls just lie. But I'm a supergirl.
And one thing she never compromised on was party and meeting her friends.
आज की रात है, कल से वही से पे है, जी भर के नाच लो ना, घर वाले ना मापे हैं, क्लब पे अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
लाया है बहार, अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना.
मिले हम छलक उठा, खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना. खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा, गोले गुलजार.
As much as she loved her parties and friends, she loved her office and work as well.
मैं वो हूँ जो चाहूँ वो पाऊँ, मैं खुद से ही वादे निभाऊँ. मैं वो हूँ जो चाहूँ वो पाऊँ.
हैप्पी बर्थडे लाला, मेरा माता खाते रहना, और एक दिन 49 केजीज के बन जाओगे और हम लोग को 50 या 51 में छोड़ दोगे.
हम लोग दोनों खिला खिला के मोटा कर देते हैं. हैप्पी बर्थडे मोटी, एंजॉय करो, फिट रहो, फाइन रहो, बस मेरे पीछे कम पड़ो, फिटनेस के पीछे. हम अपने
और अपना स्टॉक मार्केट कंटिन्यू करते रहो.
चलो एंजॉय करो, बाय.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you. Many more marathon runs to you. Many more marathon runs to you. Many more marathon runs to you dear Sydney. Happy birthday to you.
I hope you do a complete marathon run this year, and wishing you a very very happy birthday and have a great year, and wishing you all the luck, and come soon to Singapore, waiting for you.
Happy birthday, Bua. Wish you a very happy day.
Okay, and very very happy birthday to you Sydney. Hope this year brings you all luck, happiness and health. I know you are an inspiration for everyone, including Ansh, Shailesh ji. I think he started running inspired by you, or I think chasing you. So we all need to learn from you. You have set a great trend. Just continue with it. Hope this year brings and keeps you fully fit, and soon bring you to Singapore so that all of us can run together and learn from you.
Yes.
Have a
looking
blast party tomorrow and enjoy to the fullest. Have a great year ahead.
forward. Bye. Have a lovely day. Enjoy your
Bye.
day.
हाय सिम्मी, तुम कैसी हो? और तुम्हारे बर्थडे के दिन मैं यही तुमसे कहना चाहती हूँ कि तुम मुझे वही पहले जैसी छोटी सी प्यारी सी गुड़िया जैसी याद रहती हो कि जिसके पीछे पीछे मैं भागा करती थी। और तुम्हारी मम्मी को तुम्हारी चिंता होती थी, कहाँ गई सिम्मी, कहाँ गई। तो फिर हम लोग तुमको ढूंढते थे और पढ़ाई के क्षेत्र में भी तुम इतनी इंटेलिजेंट थी कि तुमने मेहनत करके इतनी आगे बढ़ी। और तुम्हारे आगे बढ़ने में मामा जी का भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है, उन्होंने भी तुम्हें बहुत सपोर्ट किया। और मुझे एक बात की और खुशी होती है कि तुम इतनी अच्छी तरह अपना घर, बच्चे, सबको संभाला है, मुन्ना को और घर को। तो ये बात भी मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील कराती है। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Simmi Didi, wishing you a very happy birthday and congrats for finishing half century. Though you don't look that old, believe me, but which is a great accomplishment. And so yeah, I hope COVID is treating you well and the family. I hope Jiju and Ancha are doing great, and Gigi is taking good care of you, I'm sure. I hope you have a great party tonight and a great year ahead. So yeah, happy birthday once again. Peace.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी दीदी। अभी मेरा ऐसे स्लीपी फेस लग रहा है। पल्लवी ने डांट के मुझे उठाया है कि वीडियो बना के भेजो। और रवि है नहीं, रवि गए हुए हैं। तो इमेजिन आप लोग कर लीजिएगा कि रवि भी हैं। रवि की वो वाली फ़ोटो देख के रवि हाय करो। हाय सिम्मी दीदी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। जैसे कि सब लोग जानते हैं कि मैं आपकी फेवरेट वाली सिस्टर हूँ। पल्लवी तुम चलो चाहे कुछ भी करो, बट ये सच सच ही रहेगा मरते दम तक। बाय, लव यू सिम्मी दीदी। बर्थडे टू यू। रुको मीठी, तू बोल हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी मौसी। बोल 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 बाल
बोल हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी मौसी।
बोल हैप्पी बर्थडे। अरे सिम्मी मौसी, हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी।
ध्रुव जल्दी आओ।
अरे लंबा हो जाएगा वीडियो।
एक सेकंड ध्रुव, कम फास्ट। अरे बोलने दो, इधर आ, इधर आ, जल्दी आओ इधर। बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी मौसी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे सिम्मी मौसी।
Happy birthday, dear Ankita. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a beautiful and wonderful day. We are wishing you a very happy birthday. And here is a happy birthday speech from Ronnie. You want to play? Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day.
Well, I never thought I'm gonna wish you from so far. It's like always hugging you tightly and wishing you a happy birthday. But yeah, definitely, you know, I'm missing you a lot. Missing all your insane party, your awaited birthday party, you know, where we go just crazy, insane. Really have no words, yaar. It's super depressing, you know, being so away from you on this day. But we all love you so much, gonna miss you so much. Please don't count your calories today. And have too many pieces of cake from our side also. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, girl. Wish we could celebrate this day together with you. But अब इस वीडियो कॉल से ही काम चला ले. It's always been wonderful spending time with you. The parties, the drinks, the night stays at your place, and the so many outings, the coffee times and everything. We're really gonna miss you a lot. पता नहीं अब वो सात समंदर पार में तेरे. When will those times be back again? You'll truly be missed, but for now, enjoy your day today. Stay blessed, stay happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ankita.
Ankita Chachi.
Happy birthday to you.
May
God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear
Ankita Chachi.
Happy birthday to you.
Have a lovely day.
Enjoy our superstar. We really miss being with you on this special day. Enjoy your birthday. Love you. Bye.
Hey Auntie, happy birthday to you. Stay fit, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep running. And enjoy your day. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day. May God give you all the good things of this world. Wish you all the best. And I'm conveying birthday wishes of Jagdish also.
Happy birthday Ankita Auntie, have a great day.
Happy birthday, auntie. Have a great day.
We miss you, Ankita. We miss you a lot. And Ansh also.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ankita Chachi. Hope you have a nice day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ankita. We all love you. Hope you have a great day today. I wish we could have celebrated this birthday before you shift to Singapore. But this is the situation here. We'll hope for the best. Wait to have a party soon. Love you, dear.
Hey Ankita, have a nice birthday. Enjoy. Have a run-filled day. Okay, take care. We'll miss you. Cake काटने तो नहीं आ सके, but let's try and do a video cake cutting. Okay, bye.
Have a great one. I know it's lockdown, but I have to wish you Ankita nice.
Happy birthday, Ankita. I'm so happy to be a part of your birthday wish video. Birthday brings back a lot of fond memories for me. Remember that chart party we had in Nike? Nice as we both of us grew older and stronger and fitter. You're one of the nicest people I know. I love how you always try and balance so many things in life without showing the sweat. You've grown into a lovely woman from what I met you. You were obviously very nice then, and you kind of matured and grown into taking so many responsibilities in your stride. And I won't make this a very long video, but I wish you all the best. I hope you have a lovely, sweet day. Keep smiling, that year-to-year grin that you have. I really like how you always smile openly. Hope to meet you sometime soon. We should hang out and celebrate. So have a good day and have a blast.
हे कमीनी, हैप्पी बर्थडे. कितनी साल की बुढ़ी हो गई. बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज. जितनी खुश अभी भी रहती है ना, वैसी ही रहना हमेशा. बी फिटनेस फ्री. तेरी वजह से बहुत मोटिवेट हुई हूँ. तेरी जितनी नहीं, बट लिटिल बिट. एंड आई मिस यू यार. फॉर शॉपिंग, वॉकिंग, टॉकिंग सब खत्म हो गया ऐसा लगता है. बट जल्दी मिलेंगे. Bye. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Ankita. Many more happy returns of the day. Stay happy. Be happy. Keep smiling. God bless you.
बच्चे होते हमारा होता डबल खाने को मिलते लड्डू और दुनिया कहती हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Murari says happy birthday. Papa says happy birthday. Papa, any message for Didi? बहुत आशीर्वाद. Murari, आशीर्वाद दे दो दीदी को खूब सारा. दे दिए. चलो, you have fun, enjoy your day. और मेरा मैसेज मैं तुम्हें पर्सनली दे दूंगी. Have fun. Bye.